everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I have got a new little kit, I guess you could call it, out on Etsy, and I wanted to show it to you today. I've already started to cut it out, but I wanted to show you what I have here. So I have 4 pages with these giant flower pockets, and a belly band, and a side pockets, and there are these big beautiful roses. And then I have a card with verses to go with them. So you can cut the pocket out, and you can cut it as close as you want. If you like to do fussy cutting, you can go in here and cut around it if you want to. I kind of rounded it off because I didn't want anything to catch on it. I didn't want anything too flimsy out there that it could catch on. So I kind of rounded mine off. And I did put a die cut line if you want to use it, but you can certainly cut as close as you want to with these. But anyway, they have these scripture cards that you can cut out and pick and choose from them and put with them. So I am going to put some of these in a journal so you can see what they look like. And I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to come back on just say, so I'm using the Vintage Photo Distress Inks on the edges here. And I kind of got an idea for this. I was doing my Esther journal, and I did some large, no, it wasn't, it's the New Hope, it's the New Hope journal. That's what it was, that I did some large scale flowers, and I thought, wow, those really look great on these pages when they're big like that. And I thought, well, I could just do some pockets and then they could go anywhere. So, okay, I'm just going to do a few of those. And let's see, I'll cut out a few of these, and then I'll be back. Okay, I was trying to find a signature that wasn't already decorated too much. And I have these brown paper ones that I've done, so I'll just use these. So this is actually a folio that I have. So I'm going to add, let's see, I think I'll add this corner one to this one, so hopefully it still works. Yeah. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put this here. And then this one, I need a small little, I could just put it there. Do not worry about anything. Gosh, I like them all. I think I'll put this on here. Okay. So there's that one. Let's see. So that could go there. Oh, this is my Armor of God kit. Okay, so I could put that there. And that there. And I think I'm not going to glue these in. I think I just wanted you to see what they look like up against a page that is plain. And then, you know, you can pick whatever the message is. Glue it wherever you want to glue it. And then here's another side pocket. That might be a little, oh, you put it there. Kind of like that there. And on these side pockets, you know, you could glue the edge here and maybe just a little bit over top and bottom, just so it gives you a little more, clamp it down a little bit more so you can put things in it. And then the other thing you could do with these, let me show you here real quick. I was thinking about this, is, let me see, do I have a, yeah, so when you print, you have an edge. You could make that into a tab and glue it out like with a tab so it could fold in and out. So that's another way you could use these. And if they don't have enough to make a tab, let's say I wanted to use it. Let's see if I have any. Well, I don't really have, oh, here. Okay, if I wanted it on this side. So I could take washi tape and run glue. I guess I'll go ahead and do this. Run glue on both edges. And then get a pretty wide washi tape if you have one. And then just carefully put the edges together. Be easier if I didn't have this folded up together with other pages, but like that, and then trim it right there at the edge. And then this will just fold back like that. And then if you wanted to, you could use it to write on the back of it. Or you could even put a little pocket there if you wanted to. There's a lot of things you could do with that if you wanted to do it that way. And the same with the pocket, like you could just have it fold out. Like you could put it, do the washi tape here, and then open it up here, and then have another little corner pocket here. So there's just several things you could do that would be cute. So anyway, I am going to, well, by the time this video gets posted, I will have this kit out on Etsy. And I think, let's see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think altogether, counting all the verses and everything, I think it was like 36 pieces that you get. And I'm going to have it out there for $3. So anyway, if that's something you can use and you think it's cute, it's out there. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next series. Bye-bye.